Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In this lesson, we will learn about the introduction of phase diagram. Do you know what is phase diagram is all about? Let us discover. This is the basic phase diagram. Phase diagram is the easy and convenient way to show or picture the pressure and temperature dependency. You can see here, this is the pressure and temperature. Okay, this is the easy and convenient way to show or picture the pressure and temperature dependency of a pure substance in a closed system. Okay, and it is without presence of air. Although the concept of phases are simple, but still they are difficult to define precisely. In this case, we have to look the phase of the system as the region in the parameter space of the thermodynamic system where it will consider the free energy. That means it can be calculated from the parameter of the system. Okay, as we learned in the changes of states or phase changes topic previously, do you still remember that any one phases of matter, okay, or any one phase of matter can change spontaneously into either one or two phases depending on the temperature and pressure? Yes, that is why we have to learn and discover about this phase diagram. Okay, you can see here, phase diagram is pictured by using a graph. Okay, and you can see here, this is the basic phase diagram for water. Okay, and the phase diagram tell us under what condition of temperature and pressure distinct phases of matter occur. You can see here the pressure is plotted on the y-axis, okay, and the temperature is plotted on the x-axis. And there are the important features in the phase diagram. You can see here, all of this is the important features in the phase diagram. Okay, you can see here, in the phase diagram, we have the phase boundaries. Okay, what is the phase boundaries? Phase boundaries, also known as lines of equilibrium. Okay, this is the phase boundaries. You can see here, this is the phase boundaries. Okay, these boundaries, okay, are the condition under which two phases of matter can coexist in the equilibrium. You can see here, this is the boundary between here, solid phase and gas phase. And this is the boundary between solid phase and liquid phase. And the blue line is the boundary between liquid phase and gas phase. Okay? Okay, another important features, okay, in the phase diagram is the triple point. Okay, this is very important. What is triple point? Triple point is the point on the phase diagram, okay, where the line of equilibrium intersect. Okay, and this three-way intersection represent unique combinations of pressure and temperature at which all three phases, which is solid, liquid, and gas, coexist in equilibrium. You can see here, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, there is coexist in the equilibrium. Okay, another one is the critical point. Here is the critical point. Critical point occur at critical pressure here. Okay, it is from the pressure axis and the critical temperature. Okay, here. Okay, you can see the line abruptly ends. Okay, at critical point. Okay, this is the phase diagram of water, the real one. You can see here, the critical temperature is 374 degrees Celsius and the critical pressure is 22,000 kilopascal. Okay, this is the critical pressure and this is the critical temperature and it is the critical point. And we also have phase diagram for other elements such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and so on. Okay, but in this lesson, we just focus on the phase diagram of water. Okay, so this is just the introduction of the phase diagram. So in other lesson, we will focus on the phase diagram of water. Okay, that's all for this lesson. Thank you and stay tuned.